Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Catherine Young and I'm a creative. And if you haven't been here before, welcome. Today is a super exciting video. So today is my 1 year anniversary to the day of publishing my first Redbird vintage box unboxing. Can you believe it? 1 year. I've done this subscription for a year now. So super exciting. Oh, so great. So if you haven't seen my other videos, go check them out. Go check out, there's a whole playlist. Also, today, to celebrate getting this box, I am gonna do another video featuring the Redbird vintage box, which is just kind of fun and something I haven't really seen anyone do. So it's gonna be linked up here. It'll also be linked below, and yeah, go check it out. It says that is a bonus video for today as well. So I'm super excited. I just wanted to say thank you for everybody who comes to my channel for the Redbird unboxings. I definitely didn't know YouTube was going to provide me with so much community, and through this past year, community has really been something I needed. So I just want to say thank you to everyone, and thank you to the vintage communities that I've found. Thank you to the Redbird gals that I've found. You know, I'm excited to reach out to more people who are doing more Redbird unboxings and get connected as time goes on. And just thank you everybody for coming into my life. So this box brought me way more than just monthly goodies. So thank you so much. Okay, I'll get off my soapbox now and let's get into why you are here. Cut. Is that the only tape this time? Maybe. All right, here we go. Beautifully wrapped as always. This box feels really stuffed this month, so that is exciting. Oh, look at my beautiful flare piece. Oh, it is so pretty. This is such a beautiful brooch. Oh, I really like this brooch. Oh, it's very pretty, and it's got, what's really neat about these crystals is they're like Aurora Borealis, but they're in the green tint, which I don't think I've seen before. I think I've seen Aurora Borealis in like the pinks and in the purples and in like the autumn colors, but I don't think I've seen green before. So I really like this. This is really pretty. What a great extra to have. All right, thank you for your purchase. We hope you love this box this month. Alrighty, okay. So, okay, here's my accessories pouch, and it's very heavy. Ooh, and there's some, oh, I'm seeing some really cool things in here. Some goodies that I think I might have an idea of what they are. Oh, and then there's other things in the bottom. Okay, so let's start with the accessories pouch. Ooh, the pouch is heavy this month. Let's see what we got. Oh, pretty. I think I requested this or something very similar. Oh, I love this. Look at that beautiful necklace. Oh, I love this. Oh, and it's got the cool spinny clasp. Oh, that is so beautiful. I've been really getting into this style of jewelry as of late. It's kind of more antique looking than what I originally started with this box really liking, but oh, this is so great. I love this piece. Very pretty. So they've definitely listening and seeing what I like if this is not one that I requested. Oh, this is one I requested, and this I'm really excited about because if I have this piece, I bet I have more that go with it. So there was this awesome set, and it was silver, and it had these beautiful diamond shapes. And I just looked at that and I was like, that is so rock and roll. I love this. Oh, this is so great. And you know what? I think this bracelet is nice and small, which will fit my wrist great. Yeah, that'll fit my wrist so well. I really like this. Oh, this set it just kind of screams rock and roll to me. I don't know why, but I'm definitely gonna use it for like layering and wearing all other things. So let's see what else is in here. Oh, so this is an add-on item that I bought. I believe this is vintage reproduction, but it was an item that I think they had on one subscription or another at one point. And I just thought it was a cute little dude. And I thought I would add him to my collection. Super cute. I like him. Ooh, okay, so this is a matching piece to that other necklace. Oh, I love this bracelet. Wow. Oh, look at the detail. I just love how it's raised and all the little links. And it almost looks like maricasites. I'm probably saying that wrong, but I'm used to those being done in silver. But, you know, this is, of course, not silver, but it reminds me of that style. Oh, yeah. I'm probably, let's see. Yeah, I think I'm going to need help to get this bracelet on her. It's going to take me a little more time, but I think it is fantastic. Oh, I love this set. Oh, it is so groovy. So groovy. Ooh, okay, so these are ear crawlers. They look very similar to ones I said I liked, or maybe they are ones I liked or requested, but they're very cute. Very, very cute. Oh, I like them. They have a little patina, but they are stunning. Oh, I love these. I'm definitely gonna get wear out of these. These are beautiful. And what I like is like, you would think they go this way on your ear, but they don't. They crawl up your ear. And I think that is just, I don't know, that is just so beautiful. I wish actually that clip-on earrings were more in style today, because I think it's a really neat look to have your earring kind of crawl up your ear that way as they did in the past. I think it's a really nice way to wear a bigger kind of earring and make a bigger statement without it have to be hanging and dangling. I do like my hanging and danglings too, but I just think these are so great. Ooh, okay, so this I believe is the necklace that matches this bracelet. Ooh, I like this. Now this is probably, yeah, this is gonna be too tight on my neck. So what I need to do with this necklace is I will need to put a necklace extender on it to get it on my neck, which is just fine. And also, like, necklace extenders don't need to have the same clasps as the necklace you get, and they still work just fine. So this is awesome. I think it's really groovy, and it's great. It's very pretty. Let's see, it is signed. What does it say? Oh, I can't read it. Maybe Sperry, maybe? But I like this. This is very rock and roll, and it's gonna be great for stacking. And the last piece is the matching earrings. Awesome. I'm very excited. I am very excited for this whole silver set. I think it's really great. It's really rock and roll. It's also very heavy feeling, so you can tell it's really high quality. I love that I got 2 sets in this. That is so exciting. I love getting sets and wearing things together, so total scores. Now on to some other items in the box. Now, here is a little package, and I can kind of see what it is, and I've never gotten anything like this from Redbird before, so I'm pretty excited. Look at their little depression glass. What size glass would you call this? See how big it is compared to my face? These are really tiny. I forget what kind of drink this is called. Somebody yell it at me, write it in the comments. But I think I know why they sent these to me. And I like them. I think they're beautiful. But they sent these to me because they were paying attention to something I said. So hold on one second. I'm going to go get my black light. Okay, I got my black light. And I suspect these are uranium glass. Let's check it out. Oh my gosh, it is uranium glass. Look how well it glows. You guys, how great is that? So I saw a brooch that they had and I thought it was uranium glass, and they were like, no, I don't think it's uranium glass. And I was like, well, I'm only interested if it's uranium glass. And look, they sent me these beautiful glowy glasses. Wait a second. Oh, where is it? I bet you this glows. Oh, I think it does. I think it does. I think the brooch that they put on the add-on is, yes, look it, it's glowing bright green under the blue. Hold on one second. Let's look at another piece of jewelry with green stones just to make sure that this actually has uranium glass and is glowing and I'm not just seeing like an optical illusion. Okay, so I snagged another brooch I have that is modern, so I know that these green stones on here are not uranium glass. So let's see what it looks like under black light. Oh yeah, that is a completely different, they turn blue. It does not glow bright green. And now look at this brooch. It glows bright green. It's uranium glass. How cool is that? Oh my gosh. So they were totally paying attention and they sent me uranium glass items. Oh, that is so amazing. Also, I think I remembered what these are called. Are these called cordials? Is that what these are? Oh my God, how groovy is that? Oh, y'all, that is quite the surprise for the 1 year anniversary of getting this box. That is amazing. Okay, and there's still another thing in this box. I think this is an add-on item that I had purchased. And that is it. And yes, this is an add-on item I had purchased. So this is a beautiful purse that was broken. Yep, it has some damage. Let's see if I can open it. It still has one strap that appears to work well. Lily, what are you doing? Lily. She's of course getting into the box, right? Lily, what are you doing? Do you need to be in the video? Okay, let's try this again. So it has one long strap and then it has this area that is obviously broken. So there was obviously another strap there, but that is okay. I can still wear it as a crossbody with this beautiful long strap. I really like this. It is the awesome snakeskin. This is, let's see, what is it? Judith Lieber purse. I love this. I think it's adorable. It's got great 80s vibes. It's gonna be a groovy crossbody and I just think it's fabulous. Oh my goodness, what a great box, right? I cannot believe they sent me uranium glass items and a uranium glass brooch. That is so exciting. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm geeking out about that. Be sure to use my code right here to get 10% off your first subscription purchase. And I'll link all their info below, so check that out. And be sure to check out the bonus video that I put up today featuring Redbird. I really hope you enjoy it. So Thank you again, ladies, for a fantastic box. And thank you everybody else for joining me and watching the unboxing. Stay creative. Bye, y'all. Oh, I still haven't gotten this right. Here we go. You know how they say if it fits, it sits? Lily would agree. Wouldn't you, Lily? Oh, she's spinning. She's spinning. Oh, no. Why is there's like hair in my face? Oh, get it together, young.